This is the biggest milestone of my career so far. I just landed my first major contract building desk for an entire school. The pressure is getting them perfect and finished on time. The mirror frames were already fabricated, so my job was to install the wooden ceiling and the tops. Let's get to work. I started by cutting all the board sides, first the tabletops, the seats, and then smaller pieces for the kneehole section where the student will store their books. Before diving into assembly, I took a short break for a warm cup of tea and some bread. It was a simple moment, but it's exactly what I needed to recharge for the tasks ahead. To keep the project within budget, I use nails instead of screws. They are affordable and provide a strong hold when installed correctly. As I assembled the kneehole section, I drove the nails in at an angle. This locks the joint together securely without needing glue, ensuring they won't pull apart over time. Once the sections were measured and trimmed, I attached them to the underside of the tabletops. I marked the positions, flipped the panels, and drove the nails through from the top for a clean, aligned finish. By the way, if you're enjoying seeing this build come together, hit that like button. It really helps a small shop like mine grow. After sanding every socket smooth, I pre-drilled the mirror frames for bolts and added plastic glides for the legs to protect the school floors. Then it was time for color. The first coat of green didn't quite cover it, but the second coat made them look professional and sharp. That's much better. Next, I mounted the wood to the frames. I drilled through the mirror frames into the wood, hammered the bolts flush, and tightened everything down with washers and nuts. I followed the same process for the seats, making sure every piece was secure. The best part of this project was meeting these amazing kids. They were so curious and eager to help, so I gave them a chance to work alongside me. It's moments like this that might just inspire the next generation of carpenters.
Very good. There you go. Make it tight.
Here is the final reveal. We finished a few in green and the rest in bright orange. My client was thrilled, and seeing the kids finally sitting at their new desks made all the hard work worth it. I'm so grateful for this opportunity to go. If you want to see more of my journey and future projects, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Let me know in the comments what you think of the orange and green color. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.